If you're looking for the best blind spot mirrors for cars in 2025, you're in the right place. We've researched and picked the top options that combine visibility, safety, durability, and easy installation. All these products are tested and trusted to make your driving experience safer and more comfortable. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's dive into the top 5 best blind spot mirrors of 2025. Number 1, Live T Blind Spot Mirror. If you want a full-featured blind spot mirror that's easy to use, the Live T Blind Spot Mirror is an excellent pick. Here's why. It features a 360-degree adjustable design, giving you maximum flexibility to cover blind spots from any angle. The HD glass convex lens offers a crystal clear view, and its frameless, slim design blends seamlessly with your car's side mirrors. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Just clean your original mirror and stick it on with the strong adhesive. Plus, it's rust-resistant and durable, making it perfect for all weather conditions. Whether you drive a car, SUV, truck, or van, Live T makes lane changes safer and stress-free. Number 2, EcoNower Blind Spot Car Mirror. Next up, the EcoNower Blind Spot Mirror is all about visibility and protection. It rotates 360 degrees for optimal viewing angles, reducing accidents during lane changes. Comes with super strong 3M adhesive, so you can count on a secure fit even in harsh conditions. What makes it stand out is the side mirror rain guard, made of waterproof, wear-resistant PVC. This keeps your mirrors clear from rain, snow, and glare, improving visibility in any weather. If you're looking for a dual-purpose solution, blind spot coverage and rain protection, EcoNower is a smart buy. Number 3, AM4 Blind Spot Mirror. Our third pick is the AM4 Blind Spot Mirror, designed for those who want durability and a sleek look. It features an ultra-thin, frameless HD glass design that looks modern and stylish. The 360-degree adjustable swivel bracket ensures a wide-angle view, eliminating blind spots efficiently. Built to last, this mirror is weatherproof and rust-resistant, so fog or rain won't compromise your view. It fits cars, trucks, RVs, and motorcycles, making it a versatile option. If you want a blend of quality, style, and safety, AM4 won't disappoint. Number 4, VeriView Mirrors. 2.5-inch fan-shaped blind spot mirror. For those who prefer something unique, the VeriView fan-shaped blind spot mirror offers a stylish twist. The fan-shaped design gives a broader field of view compared to round mirrors. It uses HD convex glass for sharp, clear visuals, and the frameless design looks sleek. Installation is simple with a strong adhesive backing, and it's built to handle extreme weather conditions. If you want a modern premium look without compromising safety, VeriView is a fantastic choice. Number 5, Obten M4 Pack Blind Spot Car Mirror. Last but not least, for those who want value for money, the Obten IM 4-pack blind spot mirrors is the way to go. You get 4 mirrors in one package, perfect for multiple vehicles or spares. Each mirror features HD glass with a protective outer layer that's waterproof and scratch resistant. They're fully adjustable with a 360-degree swivel for customized angles. Installation is quick. Just peel, stick, and adjust. If you want an affordable and reliable solution for your entire family's cars, Obten M is a top contender. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best blind spot mirrors for 2025. All product links are in the description below for your convenience. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. Drive safe and see you in the next video.